In today's video, we're installing some LED lights. Nscaler454 here, and welcome back to the channel. I decided to pick up a set of LED lights off of Amazon. I got them for just under $77 Canadian. It comes in a pack of 10, which seems like a decent value. I'll put the link in the description. The plan is, even though my basement is decently illuminated, the problem is when the layout is all the way to the back and I'm standing over it, because my light source is up here, it casts a shadow onto the layout at all times, and I don't like that. So we're going to try to fix that today. So because I'm running an L-shaped layout, I'm going to run my lights basically here and here, so one each. And then eventually I'm going to put one up there and then one over here, maybe two. Let's unbox these suckers and see just what she looks like. The pack comes with 10 LED light tubes. As you can see, I went with the frosted finish versus the clear finish. The reason is if I'm looking directly at the light, it's going to be a little softer, a little easier on the eyes. They are 4 feet long, or 48 inches, but technically they are 46.5 inches, which is not a big deal, but if you are measuring accurately, these are 46.5 inches. Every box comes with a little accessory attachment kit, so you can attach it to your ceiling or whatever. Obviously mine has a hole in the bag. It also has this little connector here, so if you want to connect two tubes together, you can. Kit comes with 10 of these toggle switch cords. It comes with 9 of these little connectors, so if you want to daisy chain your tubes together, you can. But this is where really I made a bit of a mistake. These are only like 8 inches long, which are kind of useless. So I had to go and buy another pack. This is a pack of 10. They're 6.5 feet long. So I can actually, you know, spread the lights apart, well, obviously further than 8 inches. That was an additional $33, which kind of sucks. So just be aware when you're getting your kit, because there's several different versions out there, what comes in the box. So the first thing I have to do is attach the little clips, and I'm going to put them on the joist right here and here, and then I can go ahead and attach the light. Simple enough. So now I can go ahead and plug in the wire that joins them together. Well, obviously I don't want to have a ridiculous amount of slack. So yeah, something that ought to do. Tuck that up there. Put this in here. And the kit actually came with some of these little nails to hold up the wire, so I might as well take advantage of that. Now, I didn't plan on installing this third light just yet, but I kind of had to, because even though these cords are 59 inches, which sound pretty long, they're not. They're just not long enough to get down from the ceiling to, at least not to my power source. At least not from over here. Right, so I couldn't bring it all the way over. So I had to install it just so I can get these going. And this is temporary. I'm not going to leave it like this. I have a few ideas rolling around in my head on what to do better. But I will see what's available. But when you're buying these lights, plan ahead on where your power source is going to be, because obviously you need to supply power up there, and in my situation at least, a way to turn these on and off. So as you can see, the LED lights were extremely easy to install. I think the value is very good for the product that you get and the money that you have to pay. I still have 7 lights left that I can install somewhere else in the basement or in a shop or in the garage or whatever. So a good bang for the buck. You can check the link in the description to at least get you going and finding a kit that works best for you. Even though the lighting doesn't look amazing in this shot right now, it will look a lot better when the layout gets pushed all the way back to the wall and the lights are forward of the backdrop. So just keep that in mind. So if you like this video though, thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.